Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets to give you the full picture. Today we're talking about the DREAME L10s Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a product that promises to elevate your cleaning game with advanced features like MopExtend technology, 7,000 pH suction, and self-cleaning capabilities. Let's break down whether it lives up to the hype. The DREAME L10s Pro is an innovative robot vacuum and mop combo designed for those who want a high-performance cleaner without the hassle. At the heart of its functionality is the 7,000 pH suction power, which can tackle everything from hard floors to thick carpets with ease. It also boasts MopExtend technology for edge cleaning, and it takes robot maintenance to the next level with its ability to self-clean the mops using 136-degree hot water and hot air drying. That's a lot of tech packed into one little machine. But does it deliver in real-world use? Let's find out. Setting up the DREAME L10s Pro is straightforward. The app interface is easy to navigate, and the robot connects to your 2.4G Wi-Fi network seamlessly. Once set up, the real magic happens. The 7,000 pH suction is no joke. It pulls up debris effortlessly, even from deep carpet fibers. The MopExtend technology does a solid job of cleaning edges, picking up crumbs and dust from those tricky corners that many vacuums leave behind. One feature I was impressed by was the smart obstacle avoidance system. The robot navigates around furniture, shoes, cables, and other obstacles with ease, thanks to its 3D structured light technology. Now for the real-world test. When I ran the L10s Pro on a hardwood floor and a carpeted area, I noticed a significant difference in how well it handled different surfaces. The suction power is undoubtedly its strongest feature. Nothing was left behind. The mop function, however, wasn't as impressive on the first pass. The dirt detection technology works well, but if the floor is really dirty, the mop will need a second pass to truly clean the surface. It's not perfect, but it's effective in most situations. As for maintenance, this is where the L10s Pro shines. After each cleaning cycle, the robot automatically cleans its mop using hot water and dries it. This takes a huge burden off your shoulders. It's a thoughtful feature that makes keeping the robot in good condition much easier. But while the self-cleaning function works well, the mop still requires a bit of oversight. If you have a lot of pet hair or a particularly dirty floor, the robot may need a second pass, which could be a deal breaker for some. Let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: powerful 7,000 pH suction that works well on both hard floors and carpets. MopExtend technology cleans edges thoroughly. Self-cleaning function using 136-degree hot water and hot air for easy maintenance. Smart obstacle avoidance prevents it from getting stuck on common household items. App integration is easy and reliable for scheduling and monitoring. Cons: mop function may need a second pass on really dirty floors. The 2.4G Wi-Fi limitation could be an issue for some users with dual-band networks. Although it handles obstacles well, very small objects like loose wires can still cause issues. When compared to other robot vacuums in the same price range, the DREAME L10s Pro holds its own. Competitors like the Roomba i7 Plus offer similar features, but the DREAME model stands out with its self-cleaning mop system and higher suction power. However, if you're specifically looking for a vacuum with a better mop function, you may want to consider alternatives that focus more heavily on the mopping aspect. As for build quality, the L10s Pro feels solid. The materials are durable, and the design is sleek yet practical. It doesn't feel cheap, and it holds up well to regular use. In terms of longevity, there isn't much data on long-term wear, but based on the construction, it seems to be built to last. Now, customer support. I haven't had to contact DREAME's customer service, but from what I've seen, they have a good reputation for responsiveness and helpfulness. They also provide plenty of online resources to troubleshoot common issues, so you should be well supported if you run into problems. Looking at the price, the DREAME L10s Pro offers solid value for the features it brings to the table. If you're in the market for a vacuum that can handle both regular debris and mopping, it's certainly worth considering. It does have a few shortcomings, but if you're okay with some occasional mop rewashing, it's a strong contender in the robot vacuum space. If you're on a tighter budget but still want a robot vacuum that can do the job, alternatives like the Eufy RoboVac L10s might be worth considering. It's a more basic option, but it still delivers solid suction at a lower price. To wrap things up, the DREAME L10s Pro is a feature-packed robot vacuum and mop that excels in suction power and ease of use. It's ideal for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets, and the self-cleaning mop system is a great convenience. However, if you're primarily looking for a vacuum that excels at mopping, it might not be the perfect fit. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching. If you want to get your hands on the DREAME L10s Pro, the link is in the comments box below. Let me know your thoughts if you already own one or if you have any questions about the product. Until next time, keep those floors clean and tidy with Reviews Inside TV, where we clean up the details for you.